Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 Round Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch, we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it for a couple of seconds. I would say maybe 5 seconds. Once the watch vibrates and you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, it should appear. If it doesn't, you can try releasing the button. Okay, and then it appears. So if you feel the watch vibrate, you can release the button and wait until the AMAZFIT logo appears on the screen, and then you will know that the watch is booting up. And once it's done, you will see the watch face or the list of languages if your watch is not paired with a phone. And that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.